I was trying to find a way to get a trail of my text messages, and I found this program called Copytran. It's pretty neat. So the only thing you have to do is go to that website right there, and you can download it. And I've already downloaded this. I'm gonna just show you what everything looks like and how it works. So let's go right here. This is what you get. You want to make sure you copy your trans Shelby. You can hit start, and what it's going to do is going to back up and ask you for a password. Then once you're done, you can copy it. It'll let you copy your contacts. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to downsize this, and it takes a little while for your contacts to come across. As you can see, you got text messages, calendars, you got everything. So we're going to look at this contact. We're going to look at Allstate. You can copy all of this stuff at one time, or maybe you just want a couple contacts. You can export it, and you can put it into an Excel. I mess with Excel all the time, so I'm created a folder here on my desktop. We're gonna call it contacts. So I'm gonna drop it into that. You hit OK. So now we're gonna go to my desktop under contacts. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So once you open it up, it's gonna have that one contact because I only clicked that one at Allstate. And you can download them all at one time. If you got 200-300 contacts, you can do that. And you know, in Excel, you can filter. So let's look at my text messages. And here you also have text messages. And I'm gonna click on this one. It's a food truck builder. I've been having some issues with this guy fixing my truck. He caused a lot of problems, damaged some stuff. So I needed a trail of all our conversations. As you see, I clicked on it, and you can export it. And I'm gonna put it into a PDF file. And I'm gonna put it under the contacts. I'm gonna hit OK. And it takes it probably about 5 to 10 seconds to download this trail, because I think this conversation may have over 50 different text messages. And it also gives you the date and time and everything. So it's really neat. So you see, I'm gonna go to my contacts on the messages. It gives you the date and the SMS and this guy right here. And it also separates a folder with all the pictures and videos that I sent him. So I'm gonna open up the PDF file and show you what it looks like. Like I said, it gives you all your trail, and this program is really neat. It gives you the date, time, even if you got a picture attached to it and everything. You can save it, or you can upload it into a cloud. You can print it or send it as an email. I think it's great. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel. And also visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you, and have a great day.